StudyMoore.com.
Next question is also from exercise 12.3. Question number 13. The question is, in the figure, a square OABC is inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ. If OA is equal to 20 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. Use pi is equal to 3.14. Once again, in the figure, a square OABC is inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ. If OA is equal to 20 centimeter, find the area of the shaded region. Use pi as 3.14. The figure given is a quadrant. This is a quadrant of a circle and a square. This is a square. O, A, B, C. It is PQ. Given length of OA is equal to 20 centimeter. This is equal to 20. Therefore, this is also is equal to 20. This is 20 and this also is equal to 20. The shaded region is this much. We have to find out the area of the shaded region. For that, the method we have to adopt is, first of all, we have to find the area of the quadrant, area of the sector or area of quadrant. From that, we have to subtract the area of the square. If we want to find the area of the quadrant, a radius is needed. What is the radius? If we are joining this OB, this OB is a radius. OB is a radius of the sector or quadrant. But OB is the diagonal of this square. Since the length of one side of square is 20 centimeter, length of diagonal is equal to 20 root 2 centimeter. Given that OA is equal to 20 centimeter. OA is equal to 20 centimeter. That is length of one side of square is equal to 20 centimeter. Therefore, length of its diagonal. Therefore, length of its diagonal is equal to 20 root 2 centimeter. That means a radius of the quadrant or radius of the circle is equal to 20 root 2 centimeter. That means radius of the quadrant R is equal to 20 root 2 centimeter. Now we can find the area of square and the area of quadrant. Therefore, area of quadrant is equal to 1 by 4 pi r square. Giving values, this is equal to 1 by 4 into, we have to use the value of pi as 3.14, it is given in the question, 3.14 into radius square, 20 root 2 the whole square, 20 root 2 the whole square, which is equal to 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 20 root 2 into 20 root 2. Area of quadrant is equal to area of quadrant is equal to 1 by 4 into 3.14 into root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2 into 20 into 20, which is equal to 400. This 4 and 400 is getting cancelled, it is 100, which is equal to 3.14 into 2 into 100, which is equal to 314 into 2 is equal to 628 centimeter square is the area of the quadrant. Now we can find the area of square. Area of square is equal to side into side, which is equal to 20 into 20, which is equal to 400 centimeter square. Now, subtracting the area of square from the area of quadrant, we will obtain the area of the shaded region. Therefore, area of shaded region is equal to area of shaded region is equal to area of quadrant minus area of square, which is equal to 628 minus 400 is equal to 228 centimeter square is the area of the shaded part. We are finding the area of the quadrant and then area of the square. Subtracting, it will be the area of the shaded region. But we are only knowing the length of OA. OA means length of one side of square. From that, we can obtain the length of its diagonal. The length of the diagonal will be equal to the radius of the quadrant. So, we are finding the area of the quadrant and then subtracting the area of the square from the area of quadrant. We are obtaining the area of shaded region as 228 centimeter square is the answer. Okay.